In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a sticker from an image on iPhone. So what you first want to do is you either need to take an image or you need to have an image that you want to make a sticker out of. So I'm going to go to my camera and I'm just going to take an image here of, I don't know, we'll take an image of the microphone. So once you've taken the image, you want to then go to the image and you can then make a sticker from that image. So let's say I want to make a sticker of this microphone. Now I haven't tried this, so I'm not sure how accurate this is going to be, but you want to hold down on the part of the image that you want to make a sticker of. And once you kind of hold down, it's then going to like highlight around the selected area where the sticker is going to be. Now, if it's a live photo, you might have to hold down a couple of times and just kind of get it right. But you can see we've now got the option to add sticker. So if we click add sticker, it's then going to open this window. And then once this window opens, we can wait and it's going to add this sticker here. Now we can add an effect to this sticker. So you can see you can add a outline, a white outline. You can add a comic effect, a puffy effect, or you can make this shiny. We'll just leave it on the shiny effect for now and click done. Now to use this sticker, you just can open up any like text-based app. So you could use Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, whatever. I'm just going to use Notes and I'm going to open up the emojis in the bottom right-hand corner. And then you'll have your emojis. If you just scroll left, you'll then see your sticker. So there we go. Here is our sticker. It's looking a bit terrible, but it's all going to depend on what you take a picture of and what effect you have and what lighting.